Never eat blueberries with this cause vision loss. 5 best and worst blueberries combo for vision. Let's talk about one of the best combinations for your vision, blueberries paired with Greek yogurt. This duo is not only delicious but also a powerhouse for eye health. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect the retina and reduce the risk of macular degeneration, a common cause of vision loss as we age. Meanwhile, Greek yogurt is rich in lutein, a carotenoid essential for maintaining healthy eyes. Lutein helps protect your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress, which can damage the retina over time. What makes this combination even better is that Greek yogurt is low in sugar, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels, important for preventing damage to the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. Together, these two ingredients create a nutrient-packed snack or breakfast option that supports your vision and overall health. Try it with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of nuts for added flavor. Next on the list is a nutrient-packed combination, blueberries blended into a spinach smoothie. This pairing is a powerhouse for eye health because it's loaded with antioxidants that specifically protect your eyes. Blueberries, as we know, are rich in anthocyanins, which safeguard the retina and prevent oxidative damage. Spinach, on the other hand, is a leafy green high in lutein and zeaxanthin, two critical nutrients that help filter harmful blue light and support the macula, the part of the eye responsible for sharp central vision. When combined in a smoothie, these ingredients work together to boost eye protective antioxidants and promote overall eye health. For an even more nutritious blend, you can add almond milk or a handful of chia seeds, which are great sources of omega-3 fatty acids, another vital nutrient for your eyes. This smoothie is not only delicious but also an easy way to care for your vision daily. Another fantastic combination for your eyes is blueberries paired with walnuts. Blueberries, as we know, are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which protect the retina from damage caused by oxidative stress. But when you add walnuts to the mix, you get the added benefit of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for maintaining the health of your retina and reducing the risk of dry eye syndrome, a common issue as we age. This simple pairing makes for a perfect snack that's not only delicious but also incredibly nourishing for your vision. The healthy fats in walnuts help your body absorb the antioxidants from blueberries more effectively, amplifying their protective benefits. Whether enjoyed as a midday snack, sprinkled on a salad, or added to your morning oatmeal, blueberries and walnuts are a winning combination for keeping your eyes healthy and sharp. Next up is a classic combination, blueberries and oats. This duo isn't just comforting and delicious, it's also a fantastic choice for your vision. Blueberries provide powerful antioxidants, like anthocyanins, which protect the retina from oxidative stress and support healthy vision. Oats, on the other hand, are a low-glycemic food, meaning they help maintain stable blood sugar levels. This is critical for eye health, as frequent blood sugar spikes can damage the delicate blood vessels in your eyes over time. When you combine blueberries with oats, you get a nutrient-dense meal that's perfect for breakfast or a snack. You can prepare it as overnight oats, cooked oatmeal, or even a quick smoothie bowl. Adding a sprinkle of chia seeds or a dollop of almond butter can further enhance its nutritional value. This combo is an easy, delicious way to keep your blood sugar balanced and your eyes protected. Finally, we have an indulgent yet healthy combination, blueberries and dark chocolate. This pairing not only satisfies your sweet tooth but also provides incredible benefits for your vision. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which protect the retina and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Dark chocolate, particularly varieties with at least 70% cocoa, is loaded with flavonoids that improve blood flow to the retina and brain. Enhanced blood flow ensures your eyes receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay healthy. Together, blueberries and dark chocolate create a powerful synergy for eye health. Enjoy them as a snack, sprinkle dark chocolate chips over a blueberry smoothie bowl, or melt dark chocolate and drizzle it over fresh blueberries for a guilt-free dessert. Not only is this combination delicious, but it's also a delightful way to keep your vision sharp and strong. Quick tip, always choose fresh or frozen blueberries over processed options. Fresh and frozen blueberries retain their natural antioxidants, like anthocyanins, which are crucial for protecting your vision. Processed blueberries, like those in packaged snacks or syrups, often lose their nutrients during processing and are loaded with added sugars that can harm your eye health. So, whenever possible, go for the natural, whole versions to maximize their benefits. Now let's move on to the 5 worst blueberry combinations for your vision, starting with blueberries and sugary syrup. While blueberries are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, adding sugary syrup to them completely cancels out these benefits. The high sugar content not only spikes your blood sugar levels but also promotes inflammation, which can damage the delicate blood vessels in your eyes over time. So, skip the sugary toppings and stick to natural, unprocessed blueberries to keep your eyes healthy. Next on the list is blueberries combined with high-sugar desserts, like muffins. While blueberries themselves are great for your eyes, pairing them with sugary treats can do more harm than good. The high sugar content in these desserts causes blood sugar spikes, which over time can damage the small blood vessels in your eyes. This increases the risk of conditions like diabetic retinopathy and other vision issues. If you love baking, try reducing the sugar or using healthier alternatives to make blueberry-based treats more eye-friendly. Another harmful combination is blueberries with white bread toast. White bread has a high glycemic load, meaning it causes a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. When paired with blueberries, this undermines their antioxidant benefits. Over time, these blood sugar spikes can damage the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, increasing the risk of vision problems. For a healthier option, swap white bread for whole grain or multigrain toast to maintain steady blood sugar levels while still enjoying the benefits of blueberries. Blueberries paired with soda is another combination to avoid. While blueberries are rich in antioxidants that protect your eyes, soda is loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients that increase oxidative stress in your body. This oxidative stress can counteract the benefits of blueberries and lead to inflammation, which harms the delicate blood vessels in your eyes. For a healthier choice, replace soda with water or unsweetened herbal tea when enjoying blueberries to maximize their vision-protecting benefits. Lastly, avoid combining blueberries with packaged fruit juices. While blueberries are full of antioxidants, packaged juices often lack fiber and are loaded with added sugars. Without fiber to slow down sugar absorption, these juices can cause rapid blood sugar spikes, negating the benefits of blueberries and potentially harming the blood vessels in your eyes. Instead, opt for fresh, whole blueberries and pair them with water or a homemade smoothie to preserve their eye health benefits. It's important to understand how these unhealthy combinations can impact your eye health. High sugar content, whether from sugary syrups, desserts, or sodas, can lead to chronic inflammation in the body. This inflammation damages the delicate blood vessels in your eyes, increasing the risk of vision problems like diabetic retinopathy and macular degeneration. Similarly, high glycemic foods like white bread or sugar-laden juices cause blood sugar spikes that stress your system, further harming your eye health over time. By avoiding these combinations, you can protect your eyes and enjoy the full benefits of nutrient-rich blueberries. To recap, we've covered some critical insights for protecting your vision. We explored the 5 best blueberry combinations for boosting eye health, like pairing them with Greek yogurt, spinach, walnuts, oats, and dark chocolate, all designed to maximize the benefits of blueberries and support your vision. On the flip side, we also highlighted the 5 worst combinations, such as blueberries with sugary syrups, high-sugar desserts, white bread, soda, and packaged fruit juices. These unhealthy pairings can lead to inflammation, blood sugar spikes, and long-term damage to your eyes. Remember, the choices you make with your food can significantly impact your vision, especially as you age. Opt for wholesome, low-sugar combinations to keep your eyes sharp and healthy for years to come. Thanks for watching.